this is our last image. This is what's called the Tarantula Nebula. And it's interesting in that this is kind of in the middle distance compared to everything else we've looked at. Those first couple things that we looked at were very far beyond the Milky Way galaxy, hundreds of millions or billions of light years away. Everything we've looked at since then has been within the Milky Way galaxy, just a few hundred to a few thousand light years away. This object is in what's called the Large Magellanic Cloud, which is a small galaxy that's right nearby. It's the large and small Magellanic Clouds are the next nearest galaxies to the Milky Way. It's about 160,000 light years away, so not out into the millions, but well over the thousands.
Is it named after Magellan?
Yes, they are named after Magellan, the Magellanic Clouds. And in fact, unfortunately, we can't see, they're not visible in the sky from the northern hemisphere. But if you go into the South Pacific, as Magellan did, they're visible to the naked eye. So those are two galaxies that we can see with the naked eye. You can, from the northern hemisphere, see the Andromeda Galaxy. Just barely, if you have good eyes and a good dark, clear sky. It's about 2 million light years away, and that's the next large galaxy, larger than the Milky Way, that's closest to us. So, just to give you that sense of scale again, thousands of light years inside the Milky Way, hundreds of thousands to these objects, millions to hundreds of millions to the galaxies. Each galaxy has up to hundreds of billions of stars, and in the entire universe there are hundreds of billions of galaxies. So hundreds of billions squared. It's an astonishing number, but I'll leave you with one last fact, which is that there are more atoms in a penny than there are stars in the universe.
Professor, I have a question
But
for
it's
you.
awfully hard to figure out which star you wished upon, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It is very hard.
Shantae, you're up, hon.
Well, I was thinking about a lot of things when I wrote this. I used to be an English teacher, so thinking about Greek mythology and the Cyrus, Polly, and Odysseus and his voyage. And I was thinking about The Last Frontier, because I like Star Trek. And so thinking about if all the things that he would probably explain wouldn't happen to us, that we could go to space, like will we go and not come back? Like it will call us and we wouldn't want to return to Earth. So with that, rudderless stardust, unknown siren call beckons, a journey beyond.